In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam save files to another computer. We'll use Steam's built-in backup and restore feature so you can carry your game data to a new machine with confidence and as little hassle as possible. Start on the computer that currently has your game installed. Make sure Steam is open and the game you want to move is fully closed. From the Steam window, go to Library to see your list of games. Find the game you want to move, then right-click it to open its context menu. Hover over Manage and choose Backup. Game Files. This opens Steam's backup wizard, which is designed to package the game data and, for many games, the associated save data into a portable backup. When the wizard appears, you'll be asked where to place the backup. Click Browse and select a destination you can easily access from your other computer. An external drive or a dedicated folder that you can copy later that works well. Make sure there's enough free space for the backup, as some games are quite large. Confirm your choice, then click Create Backup. Steam will compress the game files, and depending on the size, this can take a while. Leave Steam running and avoid putting your computer to sleep during this process. When it's done, you'll have a backup folder containing your game's data. Now, move to your other computer and make the backup accessible there. Sign into Steam using the same account you used on the first machine. In the top left corner of the Steam window, click the Steam menu. From there, choose Restore Game Backup. The Restore tool will prompt you to locate the backup you created. Point it to the folder that contains the backup files, then follow the on-screen prompts to begin restoring. Steam will unpack the data into your library and get the game ready to launch. If updates are required, Steam may download a few additional files to bring everything current. Once the restore finishes, launch the game and verify that your progress appears as expected. Keep the original backup until you've confirmed everything looks good. It's also worth knowing that some titles use Steam Cloud to sync saves automatically, while others store saves outside the game's install folder. Behavior can vary by game, so the results you see may differ based on how that specific title handles saved data. That's it. By backing up on your first computer and restoring on your second, you can bring your games, and in many cases your saves, over smoothly and safely.